How to fix Royal Match network connection problem. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are struggling with network connection issues in Royal Match, don't worry. I have got some quick solutions to help you get back in the game. So let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Here's what to do. If you are on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router or switching to mobile data. If you are on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi if it's available to see if that improves the connection. A weak connection can often cause loading issues or disconnects. Next, restart the application. If the connection is stable but you are still having trouble, try restarting the app. Close the app completely and remove it from your recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then reopen Royal Match and see if the issue is resolved. This can refresh the app and resolve minor glitches. For Android users, clearing the app cache can help. You can go to Settings, tap on Application and go to Royal Match. Here you can tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. This can remove temporary files that might be causing issues. Next, sometimes an outdated version can cause bugs. Check if there's an update. Go to App Store or Google Play Store and search for Royal Match and see if there's an update available. If there is, install it as updates often include fixes for known issues. And that's it. Hopefully these steps help you fix any network issues with Royal Match. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.